much. It is September, what is this? September 16th? Yeah. 17th. September 17th. I wasn't going to work this weekend up here. Working hard. Yeah, I wasn't going to work this weekend, but I sent out a notice and said they were having problems getting volunteers for whatever reason for the next 3 weeks. So I'm going to be here at least one day for the next 3 weekends. I won't be here next Saturday because we're going to the Super Motocross finale at the Los Angeles Coliseum, but I will be here the day after that. And then I will be here the following Saturday. Bart! But anyhow, there's Vaughn and Ashley, Angel, the Sunday regulars. I didn't get a video this morning. I should have, or even a picture of Laura and Noah and Laura's brother. I can't remember his name. But they were here this morning over from Camarillo. Loaded auto racks. There hasn't been a lot of train traffic today. This is only the 4th train that I've seen all day since I got here at 11, and it is almost 3 in the afternoon now, so yeah, not a lot of traffic, but it does tend to pick up a little bit in the afternoon, and the last 3 trains that I have seen have been since about 1. And we'll see how it goes. Alright, eastbound UP through the Tehachapi Crossover by the Depot Museum. Alright, out here at Bena on Black Friday. Came out here to finish another little project I was doing. As I finished that, this guy comes blasting through. Excuse me. little sand cut hill there. This is where double track starts if you're going west. Double track ends if you're going east. Out of Bakersfield. See him headed up Sandcut Hill there. All right, westbound, scooting on by at Bena. All right, another day as a docent up in Tehachapi. Beautiful day. High 60s, a little breezy, really nice though. Oil train, 1993. I don't know what that is off the top of my head, but I'll bet some of you do. I'll never get those things memorized. And this is a loaded train. It is a Thursday, and they just started opening the museum on Thursdays again. It was open 5 days a week prior to COVID. Just now starting to get enough people back on board to open it. Another day. It was extremely windy up here yesterday and rainy. I don't know if this video will come up after or before my final shoot at the derailment site. The scrappers finally showed up. So I was up there yesterday shooting that. Now, I didn't know they were going to be here. I just happened along, come up here to shoot some other stuff and saw them. And it was really windy up here and in the valley. Wasn't all that cold yesterday, but it was really windy. It rained a little bit, but nothing to speak of, just really windy, and it's so much nicer today. Just had some folks here from Washington State, and they were hoping to catch something down at the loop. They said they were going to go grab some lunch, so I hope they notice this train going by while they're eating and run down there and catch it. Takes a train, depending circumstances, if it keeps on moving, it takes a train about 20-25 minutes to get from here to the loop. Here are the URLs for my PayPal and my Patreon. If you'd help the channel out that way, I'd sure appreciate it. Keep shooting me the ideas. Drop them in the comments below. Shoot me an email at motopoet59@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe. Click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. And we'll see you all later.